Hello, I'm Jim Allsup, founder of Allsup, the first, the oldest, and by far the most experienced nationwide Social Security disability assistance company in the country. To date, there have been 2 pieces of legislation I heavily influenced, and 1 House bill that nearly became law. All 3 have driven the growth of Allsup and improved Social Security disability and employer-provided health benefits. In 1993, I was the driving force behind changing how Medicare benefits coordinate with the employer-provided health benefits of disabled employees. Employers all over the country started terminating their health benefits for these employees because of an illegal Medicare policy that forced them to pay medical bills Medicare was supposed to pay. In the midst of a battle with Medicare after they shut down my first Medicare business, I exposed this illegal Medicare policy to key congressional sources. It was promptly changed in the budget bill signed into law August 10, 1993, which in turn led to my second Medicare business, helping employer health plans get Medicare refunds they were owed. I was also behind a lawsuit in Washington, D.C. Federal District Court regarding the same issue. The court ruled this Medicare policy illegal and invalid, as I had already known years before when I launched my effort to change it. These 2 efforts then removed the incentive for employers to terminate their health benefits, protecting the remaining employer health benefits in their coordination with Medicare. In 1995, I led a troika of private companies in a hearing before the House Ways and Means Social Security Subcommittee. We proposed a demonstration project to inject return-to-work assistance into the initial application for Social Security disability benefits. Our objective was to identify and immediately provide early rehabilitation assistance to those applicants we thought had return-to-work potential. The subcommittee was immediately interested in our proposal. They made it clear to the Social Security Administration that it warranted serious consideration of our ideas and the written plan we submitted to provide this demonstration. 4 years later, in 1999, the Ticket to Work program was legislated into existence. For the first time, Social Security would pay private providers for the return-to-work assistance rather than only the limited services of state vocational rehabilitation services like before. It was a major coup for my troika partners and myself, the ticket program becoming a primary driver of Allsup's growth today. In 1997, I testified before both the House and Senate on behalf of the Federal Agency Compliance Act. Sparing the legal jargon, it would have forced Social Security to follow law and award disability claims earlier, instead of them being awarded much later on appeal by administrative law judges, only after inflicting tremendous financial harm on eligible applicants. The bill passed the House, but not the Senate, failing to become law. However, it did stop the agency at the time of attempting to negatively influence the ruling of its independent administrative law judges, which was still a victory of a sort, for I had led a public relations campaign on behalf of the bill. I feel fortunate to have played such a major role in these legislative efforts that were very important to the welfare of the disabled employees we serve.